Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 18th of June, 2021, 1:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And wow, cryptocurrencies have certainly been under pressure all day today. Looking at the weekly chart, you can see Ethereum is facing a lot of pressure against this. This is a Fibonacci extension level from this swing, and it's up against that 618. Can actually get rid of that. But then when we look at the broader Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high to the on the monthly chart, at least, that's the strong bar, bottom of the strong bar move. I mean, we can see we're still not at a level where we've tested the 382, and that means it hasn't tested the 50% or the 618. Within the Ichimoku system on the weekly, it's still below the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, and it's kind of into no man's land. And if you want to look at how low it could go, if you want to assume the lagging span is going to find support against the candlesticks, then it can drop as low as 700 from here, or by the next weekly candle to 980, or in 2 weeks to 1300-ish, 1250. So that's something I think we should kind of take a look at. As far as an extension on the weekly, given the current price action and price swing, the 786 extension I just drew lines up nearly directly on the 382 retracement. But the 50% extension is at 1800, which is a pretty normal zone to look at. If we look at the volume profile, we'll do that on the daily chart over here. The 1800 value area is right where this high volume node is at. And if I scroll out, I mean, it's the next major support level. Because if you look where I have the sell stop idea at 2213, I think that's what it's at, 2206. And what I'm looking for is a close below 2206 because, and let me just kind of highlight this area here so that when I zoom in, I know what I'm referencing. And it'll be an easy cue for y'all to see it too. But if I zoom in, the top of this rectangular box is the high volume node that we've broken below. So in other words, at the present value, it is easier for Ethereum to move lower than it is to move higher. And there's a huge gap of volume in the volume profile between the 2450 and the $1,800 value area. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a fast drop. And the reason why I like the sell stop there, that's only if we can get a daily close really below that. Or if it closes kind of where it's at, like right now, that would be a good area to look at too. But that's bringing us below the close all the way back in May. So this will be, a June low weekly close. And the oscillators here are really pointing to some nose diving up ahead, especially since the RSI has now crossed down below 40. Granted, there are a couple days left in the weekly chart, but it's Friday, so this is kind of a bearish event that we see happening. So just look out for that. Again, $1,800 value areas where I look for the next support structure, and below that we get to the 700s and 800s again. But be careful out there this weekend with Ethereum and all cryptocurrencies, because I've been preaching this the whole month and in May that June is a very bearish month for cryptocurrencies, and this is kind of stuff was expected, and it's not a surprise, even though it takes a little while for it to start to wind up to do its thing. But y'all have a great weekend. I hope you've all had a good week. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.